am no stranger to the scrutiny of the public eye. I've been judged for my looks, my body, and my choices. But I stand before you today, not as a victim, but as a victor. I have triumphed over body shaming, not by changing myself to fit the mold, but by embracing who I am in all my uniqueness and beauty. I am inspired by the resilience of those who face similar struggles. Your strength fuels my resolve. We are not defined by the number on scale, but by the content of our character. Let us not be shamed in the silence. Instead, let us use our voices to uplift, to inspire, and to champion acceptance and love for all bodies. To my mom from heaven, above watching me and guide me, I love you and thank you. To my family and to my friends, thanks to you. A huge shout out to my glam team and designer, Chiro Nabaira and Nico Concepcion, international makeup artist and fashion designer, for exerting their efforts and expertise. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and forever grateful to both of you. Remember, we are all beautiful, we are all worthy, and we are all deserving of respect. Thank you. Sama na pa sis. Yes,